very much, Mr. Speaker. With your permission, I will answer questions 17 and 18 together. The government has secured early access to 457 million vaccine doses through agreements with 8 separate vaccine developers. And I want to just assure the House that the government is in constant contact with the vaccine manufacturers and remain confident that we are on track to offer a vaccine to all priority cohorts by mid-April.
Let's head up to the Midlands with Mike Wood. Mike Wood.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. People like my constituent Ken in Dudley South have seen the European Commission threatening to ban vaccine exports to the UK, and they're worried about whether they'll be able to get their second dose. What assurances can my honourable friend give to Ken and others like him that they will be able to get a second dose of the same vaccine within the specified time schedule?
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. The Vaccines Task Force, and I want to pay tribute to Kate Bingham and Clive Dix, but also to the brilliant civil servants that do the heavy lifting, has conducted a supply chain risk assessment and continues to monitor the requirements across the supply chain from supplier through to patient. We are in constant contact, as I said, with the suppliers. The NHS is already reserving second doses, and actually last week we began informing the frontline, primary care networks and others of the second dose schedule. I can reassure his constituents, if they've had a Pfizer first dose, they will get a Pfizer second dose within 12 weeks. If they've had an Oxford first dose, they will get an Oxford second dose within the 12 weeks.
We're heading to Dr. Jamie Wallace. Dr. Jamie Wallace.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Will my honourable friend confirm that Wales has been provided with enough supplies of vaccines to hit the same targets the UK government set, specifically the July 31st target? And does he agree with me that had we joined the EU's vaccine programme, procurement programme, then immunisations in Wales would be much further behind right now?
Minister.
I'm grateful for my honourable friend, and we are working very closely with the Welsh Government and other devolved administrations to ensure vaccines are allocated as per the Barnett formula, and as the Secretary of State quite rightly has reassured all devolved administrations that they will receive the vaccines to be able to deliver on targets that we have set. It's great to see over 860,000 people have received their first dose in Wales. The pace of our vaccination programme, Mr. Speaker, means we have administered more vaccines than any other European country.
Right, we'd have a substantive question to Minister Wesley.